Well, many local families are stepping out of their rain-soaked homes for an emergency trip to their neighborhood hardware store. KELOLAND's Perry Groten shows you the rush of customers trying to get their hands on everything from sandbags to sump pumps.
Jesse Nyans is on a mission of mercy, purchasing a sump pump for his brother who has 8 inches of water in his basement at Ellsworth, Minnesota.
He said he had water coming into his basement faster than his sump pump can pump it. So I was told to go grab another one for him because he's having a hard time even making it to town with all the road closures.
Nyans says he's not too particular what kind of sump pump to buy. He's just glad he found them in stock.
The sump pumps are going crazy today, so we're selling a lot of sump pumps. We're selling a lot of the battery backups for the sump pumps and more hose than we can get in as fast as we can.
An emergency shipment of sump pumps, hoses, shop vacs, and other supplies came in overnight from Wisconsin.
All freight will be going to all the stores in Sioux Falls, so all Ace Hardwares will be in stock here in the next couple hours.
In the front of the store, there are plenty of sandbags stacked up for customers to protect their property as the rain keeps coming.
A lot of people want to use them to help just with their alleviate the flooding around their driveways and their perimeters, so they're good, perfect for that one. We have sand tubes that are perfectly rolled for the right amount. They're about 6 feet long.
Ace had sold dozens of the sandbags by mid-morning. They expect the fresh shipments arriving will help them keep up with the demand from customers who are trying to keep up with all the rain. In Sioux Falls, Perry Groten, KELOLAND News.
Ace keeps sandbags in stock year-round because a lot of customers use them for added weight for their vehicles during the winter time.